use a pip.conf in your virtual environment so you don't have to specify the index URL. Let's install something. So this would come from the PyPy by default, the public PyPy. But let's say we want to get that from our internal devpy. Of course, an option is pip install index URL. Now let's install it from our local devpy server. Okay, so it installed numpy from our local devpy server, but we had to specify the index URL on the command line, and that's slightly inconvenient. Let's uninstall that. And now can we make it so we don't have to have the index URL on the command line for this virtual environment? Now if we do a pip install numpy, will it come from our devpy server?